In today's fast-paced world, having a side hustle has become increasingly popular. With the rise of the gig economy, more and more people are turning to side hustles to supplement their income, pay off debt, and save for the future. But with so many different side hustle options available, it can be difficult to know which one is the best fit for you. In this video, we'll explore some of the best side hustle options for making money in 2023. Online tutoring. With the rise of online education, tutoring has become one of the most popular side hustles. You can use your expertise in a specific subject to teach others and make money. Online tutoring is a flexible and convenient way to make money, as you can work from home and set your own schedule. With the help of platforms such as Chegg, VIPid, and Tutorm, you can connect with students all over the world who need help with a specific subject. The pay for online tutoring can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $20–30 per hour. Freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing could be the perfect side hustle for you. With the rise of online content, there's a huge demand for writers to produce articles, blog posts, and website content. You can find freelance writing opportunities on platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and ProBlogger. The pay for freelance writing can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $25 to $50 per hour. Social media management. As more and more businesses turn to social media to connect with customers, the demand for social media managers has increased. You can use your skills to manage social media accounts for businesses, creating content and running promotions. The pay for social media management can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $20 to $40 per hour. Platforms such as Hootsuite and Buffer can help you to schedule post and track metrics. Graphic design. Graphic design is another great side hustle option for those with a creative flair. You can use your design skills to create logos, brochures, and website graphics for businesses. Platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, and 99 Designs can help you connect with clients. The pay for graphic design can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $30 to $60 per hour. E-commerce. Setting up an e-commerce store is another great way to make money as a side hustle. You can sell products online and reach a global audience. Platforms such as Shopify and Amazon make it easy to set up an online store and start selling products. The pay for e-commerce can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $50 to $100 per hour. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a professional who provides administrative support to business owners and entrepreneurs. As a virtual assistant, you can handle tasks such as email management, scheduling, and data entry. Platforms such as Upwork and Freelancer can help you find virtual assistant opportunities. The pay for virtual assistant can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $15 to $25 per hour. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can use platforms such as Rover and Barkappy to connect with pet owners in your area who need someone to take care of their pets. The pay for pet sitting and dog walking can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $15 to $20 per hour. Photography. If you have a passion for photography, you can make money by selling your photos online. Platforms such as Shutterstock and Stock allow you to upload your photos and earn money every time someone downloads one of your images. The pay for photography can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $0.25 to $0.50 per download. Online personal training. With the rise of technology and the internet, more and more people are turning to online personal training to reach their fitness goals. As an online personal trainer, you can use platforms such as Zoom or Skype to connect with clients and provide them with personalized workout plans and fitness advice. You can also use fitness apps and websites to track and monitor your clients' progress. The pay for online personal training can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $30 to $50 per hour. Event planning. If you have a passion for planning and organizing, event planning could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can use your skills to plan and organize events for businesses, nonprofits, and individuals. You can find event planning opportunities on platforms such as Eventbrite, Meetup, and Eventful. The pay for event planning can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $20 to $50 per hour. Food delivery. With the rise of food delivery apps like Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash, food delivery has become one of the most popular side hustles. As a food delivery driver, you can use your own vehicle to pick up and deliver food to customers. The pay for food delivery can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $10 to $15 per hour. Home cleaning. If you enjoy cleaning and organizing, home cleaning could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can use platforms such as TaskRabbit, Thumbtack, and Handy to connect with customers in your area who need someone to clean their home. The pay for home cleaning can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $15 to $25 per hour. Ride-sharing. With the rise of ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft, more and more people are turning to ride-sharing as a side hustle. As a rideshare driver, you can use your own vehicle to pick up and drop off customers. The pay for ride-sharing can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $15 to $25 per hour. Voiceover work. If you have a great voice and enjoy performing, voiceover work could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can use platforms such as Voices.com and Upwork to connect with clients who need voiceover work for their videos, commercials, and more. The pay for voiceover work can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $50 to $100 per hour. Online consulting. If you have expertise in a specific field, online consulting could be the perfect side hustle for you. You can use platforms such as Clarity and Coach.me to connect with clients who need your expertise. The pay for online consulting can vary, but on average, you can expect to make around $50 to $100 per hour. These are just a few examples of the best side hustle options for making money in 2023. The most important thing is to find a side hustle that you enjoy and that aligns with your skills and interests. With the right side hustle, you can not only supplement your income, but also gain a sense of financial security and freedom. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.